Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese chives egg sweet potato vermicelli stir fry. This is a popular Chinese home-cooked dish. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to soak the sweet potato vermicelli for half an hour. Crack 3 eggs and mix well. Prepare a pan and add some cooking oil to it. Pour the egg into the pan. Stir fry until the egg is cooked. Take the egg out from the pan. Now we need to cut some red chilies. Also mince some garlic. Clean the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Add the garlic and chili into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Then add some bean sprouts into the pan. Stir fry until the bean sprouts become slightly soft. Now we can add the soaked sweet potato vermicelli. Stir fry again to mix well. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, half spoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now put the egg back into the pan. Also cut some Chinese chives and put into the pan too. Stir fry until the chives become soft. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This dish is not only nutritious but also tasty. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.